Welcome to Casey's SEO, and today I want to show you guys another tool here. So we have the title and meta description creator tool. This tool is perfect for local business owners especially. But say you have a website that you've never optimized and you have created, let's say 30 to 40 pages. You have a handful of service pages, and then you have a handful of blog posts that you try to create. And when I say try, you just don't have that much time. Why? Because you're a local business owner and you're busy. You have other things to do. Now, this tool is pretty neat because once you have all your company information put in, you can select your company, and then you can scrape the entire site. You can get every single page on your website. You can get the current title and meta description, and then you can generate a new title and meta description with one click of a button. But let's just go even a step further. Let's just say you have 500 pages. Maybe you're an SEO professional and you have a brand new client that has 500 pages and you need to try to get something done pretty quick. Well, if you would do this by hand, even just copying and pasting everything into any type of AI tool, it's going to take you quite some time. So you could scrape the entire site. And in this instance, I'm just going to use a cheaper AI version here, but I can hit start scraping. And like I said, it's going to go through every single page on your website. Once it has every page done, you can then hit generate AI content, and then you will go and see all the new content that is being generated. Once you're done, it auto saves to your folder, but you can also export it and save it somewhere else if you would like. And then you could go through and copy and paste all these in by hand. But wait, there's more. If you want to speed up this process, you could use one of the WordPress plugins that I did create that at some point I will offer in the tool set. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this plugin. So the plugin is called SEO Manager for right now, but you can go ahead and click on that and we have a couple different options. So basically, I just created this plugin in order to pretty much upload these title tags and meta descriptions. And then I had another little deal. I had to do a find and replace, so I added that in here too. But really, I'm just playing around with this plugin at the moment. But if we click on CSV upload, you could then upload your whole Excel sheet. So if you had those 500 pages and you wanted them all redone, you could essentially upload that whole sheet and hit process, and it will go ahead and change all of the title tag and meta descriptions. Now here is what it actually looks like. So right here, I use Yoast for all of my WordPress websites. And if you look over here, so you have the SEO title, that is still the Yoast title. In order for this to work, I actually just created a new title tag and meta description box, which just overrides the Yoast box that you have in here. So if you scroll down, you can see the SEO Manager right here, SEO title, meta description, and then that just gets put in right here. And then you still have all your Yoast information right here. So if you would ever disable this plugin, then it would remove this information right here and then use your Yoast when it displays. Now let's just say you did not want to override anything, but maybe you just needed that find and replace. So you could go back to the tool. If we hit dashboard, I'll just show you here, and it shows you everything that you did and when you did it. But then you could, you got the file import. Another option that we have in here is you can upload the schema with the schema tool. So let's just say your website did not have any schema in it. You could go through and generate new schema for all of the pages in here and then upload that schema to your pages. Like I said, if you did not want to use the overrides for your title tags and meta descriptions, but you wanted to use, let's say, the find and replace or to add that schema, you could always come over here to the settings and then disable the SEO metadata functionality, and then you can still use the other tools. Now, this is just one of the kind of plugins I've been playing around with. At some point, it will be in the tool suite that I have, but it's an easy way to update your website without much work and without much time. So there you go. Let's go back just real quick and check this out. So we have every page scraped. I think there's, not sure, let's just say 240 pages. So we got 240 pages scraped. If I'd hit generate with AI, like I said, it would create all new title tags and meta descriptions. Export that CSV out. You can make any changes if you want. Let's just say you didn't want to change these 6 right here, then you could just keep them the same. And then if you're using that plugin or by hand, just copy and paste all of those. Now that is it for this video. Just wanted to show you guys this little tool that would save you potentially many hours, depending on how many websites you're working on. If you're that local business owner, you may only have that one website. But if you're an SEO professional, you may have 40 different websites that you need to update really quick. And this tool is just a good way to go ahead and make some new content. Get a quick couple updates for your website. And if you want to see other tools that are in the SEO tools suite, just go to Casey'sSEOtools.com and you can check those out. And then those should be available to you guys soon.